Okay, so here are where you can find these underrated SEO skills. And they're video formats. And you can see we're inside my LinkedIn Learning account. You can see I started taking like 14 different courses. They're all different, SEO related, some are not. And I think they have some really good courses here on LinkedIn. And I don't feel like it's talked about as much as far as I know. And so some of the first recommended courses that I recommend you take upon completing your SEO certification from wherever that is, or if you just want to learn more about this, then I would take obviously a Google Analytics course, like an intro course. You can see I completed this not too long ago. It's a really good course. I think that one right there. Also took a course on advanced Google Analytics, and yeah, those are the ones I recommend. I think it says here the instructor's name is Brad Batesoli, and then Corey. And so those are the two courses I recommend. But even starting with the basic one is fine, right? These are Google Analytics 4. So you can also learn about Universal Analytics, but that's going to be phased out soon, which means it's not going to be as relevant in the near future. But I think Google themselves offer a course on this. I think they have something called Google Garage. And so you could take that course from there as well. Another course that I recommend you take, just to kind of know it, right, is Data Studios, which links with Google Analytics data to better interpret data from a website. So I would keep these two in mind. You can see, I took one of these courses. I don't remember which one. Oh, it's the first one. Yeah, Learning Google Data Studio for Marketers. That was a pretty decent one. And just know that these are pretty hard courses. Like, they're going to take you a long time to get through, but they're very useful, especially if you're a beginner. And also, you're going to need to know these, and these are just really important. And I think I took a couple more, but I think there's this other course, and this is from Udemy here, and it's a copywriting course that I recommend you take as well. And the one I took a long time ago was from this lady right here, Tamsin Henderson. Really good course. I think I got it on special too. So I know that Udemy runs coupons or sales every once in a while. So you can wait on that as well. But this is a really good course with really good reviews. And so I would keep this one in mind. Yeah, there's a lot of useful information there as well. So I highly recommend this course. It's really useful. And another really good course, I think they have like SEO courses here as well that can be of value. I think I've taken this one as well a long time ago. Even these, I believe, maybe this one, which really give you like a clear picture on how to run your SEO agency in the future. But from what I've gathered, when you're a complete beginner, there's still a lot you have to learn. So even that, building your own SEO agency is a long ways away from me, as a side note. And then one last thing I recommend you take is inside Skillshare. They have really good courses here as well, so I really recommend them. I think they have one on HTML and design. I'll put the link for it in the URL, but it's a really good course that I took, and it just teaches you a lot about web design, how you can, inspect different elements of a website and then just start modifying it. Like if I wanted to erase that, I could go here, hit display, none, and I can make that disappear. I think that's a cool little function here. I could do the same thing with this. It's probably the only function I know how to do, but you learn a lot, Or you could change the color. It's cool because it's also practical for, I'm going to refresh the page. It's practical for SEO, and it's really good to learn, a little bit of HTML and CSS, which is what we see on every website. And then if you're an SEO specialist, you're going to be working with websites all day. So it's a really good information to learn. And if you want more tips like this on, different little skill sets that have helped me earn a little bit more money on SEO as a complete beginner, then I'm going to provide you a link below so you can sign up for my newsletter, and I'll send you the PDF full of tips that I've used in the past and learned about to make more money in SEO. So anyways, if you like this video, give it a like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. Until next time.